Welcome to our Questa project. The project is about determining the dyes that make up the color of the coatings of M&M candies and Skittle candies. Paper chromatography is a technique to use solvent to separate a mixture into its components. To determine if it's a pure substance or a mixture, there will be one spot if it's a pure substance, and if it's a mixture, there will be more than one spot. The materials we used were M&M candies, Skittle candies, boiling tubes, a wooden splint, and chromatography paper. Firstly, we checked if we had the right equipment. We then placed the candies into the beaker and poured distilled water to allow it to dissolve the color coating. Next, we drew a straight line with a pencil in the chromatography paper and crossed on the center of the line. We wet the ends of the wooden splint and scraped the color coatings off the candies. After that, a small drop of color coating of the candies was dripped onto the cross of the chromatography with a wooden splint. After that, water was added into the boiling tubes to a depth which must be below the start of the line of the chromatography paper. Then, the chromatography papers were placed into the boiling tubes. A few of us had to repeat this experiment again with the extra candies. The chromatography papers were removed when the food coloring had separated well enough on the paper. At the end of the experiment, the chromatography papers were left to dry and later examined. These were our results. From the table showing the results of different color coatings of M&M and Skittle candies, we observe that Skittle candies are pure substances and M&M candies are mixture substances. When we compared the results of the same color coating of M&M and Skittle candies, we also found out that the color coatings of Skittle candies are light, while the color coatings of M&M candies are dark. The substances of the color coatings are not the same because one is pure and one is a mixture. In conclusion, we can conclude that M&M candies exist as a mixture substance, while Skittle candies exist as a pure substance. M&M candies are made up of more than two substances, therefore they are known as mixture substances. Answer number 1. No. The different color coatings on M&M and Skittle candies does not exist as a pure substance. Two substances are needed to make up each of the color coatings. Answer number 2. The candies are made up of different substances. Skittle candies exist as a pure substance, while M&M candies exist as a mixture substance. Answer number 3. No. The substances that make up each of the color coatings are different. The substances of the candies have a different number of dots to determine the color coating of each candy. Here are some references. And these were some pictures we took during the experiment. Thank you.